Hi everyone! Welcome to today's video. Today, we are going to describe a very interesting picture together. This picture is about a stable, and it shows children taking care of horses. But before we start describing the picture, let's first learn some new English words that will help you understand it better. Stable, a place where horses live. Stall, a small room for a horse inside a stable. Hay, dry grass that horses eat. Crouching, bending down near the ground. Pony, a small horse. Mane, the long hair on a horse's neck. Brushing, cleaning or fixing an animal's hair. These words will appear in our description. Try to use them in your own sentences after watching the video to practice English. Now that we know these words, let's get started with the picture description. This picture shows a big stable. Do you know what a stable is? A stable is a special place where horses live. Horses stay in small rooms called stalls. Each horse has its own stall where it can stand, eat, and rest. The stable in the picture is very big and clean. The roof and the walls are made of wood. You can see that the stable is bright because there is sunlight coming in through the open doors. The floor is covered with straw. Straw is the yellow dry grass that is often used to keep the floor soft for horses. It looks a little messy because people are working and walking around. Now let's look at the people in the picture. The first person you see is a boy with short blonde hair. He is in the front of the picture. The boy is carrying a big bunch of hay in his hands. Hay is dry grass that horses love to eat. The boy looks happy and excited to help. He is smiling and walking forward. He is wearing a green shirt and blue jeans. His shoes are black, and he is walking very confidently. Beside the boy, there is a dog. The dog is brown with fluffy fur and floppy ears. The dog looks very excited and playful. Its mouth is open, and its tongue is hanging out. It seems like the dog is having a great time running around in the stable. On the left side of the picture, you can see another boy. This boy has dark brown hair. He is crouching close to the ground. Do you know what crouching means? It means bending down near the ground. He is holding a red bucket in his hands. The boy is feeding a brown horse. The horse is inside its stall. The horse is looking at the food in the bucket. The boy is wearing a light cream-colored shirt and dark pants. He looks very focused and calm while feeding the horse. The horse looks friendly and happy to get some food. Horses love food like hay, grass, and vegetables. In the background, there is a girl with long brown hair. She is standing near a horse. The girl is wearing a helmet on her head. People wear helmets to stay safe when they work with horses. She is brushing the horse with a brush. Brushing a horse helps keep its hair clean and smooth. The girl is wearing a purple shirt and gray pants. She looks very careful and kind as she takes care of the horse. The white horse looks very calm and happy while the girl brushes it. Horses love to be brushed because it feels nice for them. On the right side of the picture, you can see a cow. The cow has black and white patches on its body. It is standing quietly with a blue rope around its head, just like a halter. The cow has a short, fluffy mane-like area near its neck, and its tail is also long and soft. The cow looks calm and gentle. Cows are very peaceful animals, and they are often seen in farms and stables. People take care of cows by feeding them hay and brushing their fur to keep them clean and healthy. If you look closely at the roof of the stable, you can see many small birds flying around. The birds are blue and brown. They are flying high near the wooden roof. Birds sometimes live in stables because it is a warm and safe place for them. The birds make the stable look lively and full of nature. They are flying happily, and some of them are sitting on the wooden beams near the roof. Now, let's see how much you remember. Here are some fun questions for you. How many children are there in the picture? What is the boy with blonde hair carrying? What color is the small pony in the picture? What is the girl in the background doing? Can you find the dog in the picture? What is the dog doing? Think carefully and try to answer. You can pause the video if you need more time.